While they mourn her death, it was also a celebration of Lady Bird Johnson's life. Hundreds of invited guests arrived at Riverbend Center in Austin for an afternoon of memories.
Very warm, very kind to everyone, and has a very generous spirit. It's been an interesting opportunity in my life to work with her and with the Johnson family.
There were familiar faces in the crowd, past presidents, former and a current First Lady, and 50 Secret Service agents who have served the Johnsons for a half-century. Those who knew her from the many hats she wore say she was always gracious in her response.
Early in the White House, a well-meaning editor came up from Texas and said, "You poor thing, having to follow Jackie Kennedy." Mrs. Johnson's mouth dropped open, and she said, "Oh no, don't pity me. Grieve for Mrs. Kennedy. She lost her husband. I still have my Lyndon."
And while so many know her as a mother to nature, perhaps the greatest loss felt here today is of a mother who nurtured.
Mother seemed to have the whole world in her hands too, teaching me by example not only how to live, but how to die. For these lessons in faith, Mother, I will be forever grateful.